Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of shiitake mushrooms? Shiitake mushrooms have been grown for centuries in Asia for their incredible taste and health benefits. Shiitakes are highly versatile and can be used in multiple culinary creations. They add a rich, earthy flavor to any dish. Shiitakes are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a healthy addition to your meals. These mushrooms are often grown on logs using plugs to inoculate the log. Would you like to learn how to grow them? In our shiitake mushroom workshops, you will learn how to grow shiitake mushrooms by yourself, tips and tricks to grow them faster and enjoy these delicious mushrooms at home. Our experienced instructors will guide you through every step of the process, from selecting the perfect logs to inoculate them with the shiitake spores, doing it all by yourself. Get your hands dirty while you learn and enjoy inoculating your log. As the weeks and the months go by, you will witness the magic of nature as your logs begin to sprout a beautiful harvest of shiitake mushrooms. And if you want to learn how to grow shiitake mushrooms, fill out this form. The link is also in the description, and stay tuned to all the events that Cornell Cooperative Extension has for you. Every month, every year, most of these events are for free, so register, stay tuned, and I will see you in our next event.